Yes, sir, man. Y'all know what time it is, man. Hey, today we got that Lil Tecca preset for Bandlab, of course. Y'all know the link it's gonna be pinned in the comments for y'all to go ahead and scoop up. But I'd advise you to watch the whole video, see how I worked the preset, see how I did everything, man. Hey, so right now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna let y'all hear the little mixed version I got of the song. I'm gonna play it raw too, so y'all can hear what I'm working with. You feel me? So you know the preset really doing work. My raw vocal didn't sound good, and I tried to sound like Lil Tecca on the song Ransom. Hey, with no further ado, I'm gonna let y'all hear what it sounds like. See me blowing up, now they say they want some. I got two twin Glocks, turn you to a dancer. I got two thick thighs, put them on the banner. I see two twin ops. See me blowing up, now they say they want some. I got two twin Glocks, turn you to a dancer. I got two thick thighs, put them on the banner. I see two twin ops. Hey, as y'all can tell, you gon' need the preset. I sounded crazy without it. Look at my daughter trying to get in the shot. I sounded crazy without it, man. Hey, so let me show y'all everything that's on the preset right now. I ain't gonna hold y'all no longer. What you say, mama? Huh? Hey, man, we added the BL driver. The BL driver gives a little grit, adds a little grittiness, a little distortion to your vocals, so they don't sound so super clean. Hey, next up, we added a little graphic EQ. Here are the settings I got for the EQ. Hey, keep in mind, every mic gonna sound different, so y'all just be mindful of that. But this is a good starting point for the graphic EQ for sure, so y'all rock with it, man. Hey, next up, we got the exciter. Just to get the vocal sounding nice and bright, just like every other setting, you're gonna have to change it up some. So, like always, y'all keep that in mind. Next up, we got the vocal enhancer. Just a little splash of it. We got about 9% of the vocal enhancer. This just makes the vocal sound a lot cleaner, so that's what we went for. After that, we added de-esser, man. Soften those S's up, make it sound a lot more professional. That's just what we did. After that, we got an FBK compressor. Compress the vocals, make them sound a little more consistent. Nothing too crazy, 4:1 ratio. It don't stop there, we added another compressor, the TechLab BA2A as always. Know what I'm saying, doing a little compression. Copy this down. We got a little spring reverb. We changed it up this time. You know what I'm saying, different reverb. After that, we got the chorus ensemble. Get these vocals a little wideness. Hey, after that chorus ensemble, we added some delay, the ping pong delay. Here are the settings I got. We got to mix them out on 4, you know what I'm saying? Not too much delay, just enough so you can, you know what I'm saying, kind of hear it, but not too much. Yeah, man, that's pretty much what I did for the main vocals on a Lil Tecca preset. Let me show y'all the dubs. Oh yeah, man, something huge I forgot to tell y'all. This preset is not gonna turn you into Lil Tecca. I don't want nobody commenting saying, hey, KD, I don't sound like Lil Tecca. It don't sound the same for me. You gotta try to mimic his voice. This is really just to give you a clean mix. And the mix don't sound clean for you, it's your microphone. You change the preset up until it sounds perfect for you. Everybody not using the same mic. I see what I'm using. I mean, this is an AT2020 USB condenser mic. You might be using your headphones. You might be using the dynamic condenser mic. You might be using the XLR mic. You know what I'm saying? So just change the EQ up, change the preset up until you get a good, clean sound. I don't like when people be trying to tell me like, oh, the preset ain't this, it don't do this, it don't work. Yes, it do. You gotta tweak it, man. These presets ain't made specifically for you. It's thousands of people in the world. I mean, just change it up. That's why I made these presets, man, so y'all can have that good sound. You just gotta learn how to edit them. I got a video on how to edit / use presets, so y'all go on my channel and check that out. But let me let y'all hear what these dubs sound like, the background vocals. Let me show you everything that's on that preset too. And I'm gonna have that preset linked in the comments too. Now they say they want some. Turn you to a dancer. Put them on the banner. yeah, man, so that pretty much wraps up the whole preset, the 2 presets we got. I'm gonna show y'all a little bit how to tweak them up, just a tad bit. I ain't gonna go too much in depth. Hey, but for all the real ones that stayed around, man, for the whole video, hey, you a real one. Hope this preset helps y'all out. Hey, y'all make sure to hit that like button, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to do that. Hey, plenty new presets in the future coming soon. I still gotta get the little adapter so I can make some more music, man. I'm bullshitting. I keep putting it to the side, but you know what I'm saying? It's coming real soon. Hey, man, we're just gonna keep pushing out content. But yeah, hey, if y'all want y'all music mixed and you need it mixed ASAP, and you need it to really sound good, and you ain't trying to go through all the little mixing. Hey, hit me up on Instagram, man. YSLKD__. Hey, I'm telling you, bro, cheap. Like, once I tell you the prices, you gonna be like, okay, I should have been doing this. Like, I'm telling y'all, tap in, man. YSLKD__ on Instagram. Hey, but I'm about to sign out, man. Hey, appreciate all y'all for watching the video. Until next time. See me blowing up, now they say they want a song. I got 2 twin Glocks, tank to a dancer. I got 2 thick thighs, put them on the banner. I see 2 twin ops. See me blowing up, now they say they want a song. I got 2 twin Glocks, tank to a dancer. I got 2 thick thighs, put them on the banner. I see 2 twin ops. See me blowing up, now they say they want a song. I got 2 twin Glocks, tank to a dancer. I got 2 thick thighs, put them on the banner. I see 2 twin ops. See me blowing up, now they say they want a song. I got 2 twin Glocks, tank to a dancer. I got 2 thick thighs, put them on the banner. I see 2 twin ops. See me blowing up, now they say they want a song. I got 2 twin Glocks, tank to a dancer. I got 2 thick thighs, put them on the banner. I see 2 twin ops. See me blowing up, now they say they want a song. I got 2 twin Glocks, tank to a dancer. I got 2 thick thighs, put them on the banner. I see 2 twin ops. See me blowing up, now they say they want a song. I got 2 twin Glocks, tank to a dancer. I got 2 thick thighs, put them on the banner. I see 2 twin ops. See me blowing up, now they say they want a song. I got 2 twin Glocks, tank to a dancer. I got 2 thick thighs, put them on the banner. I see 2 twin ops. See me blowing up, now they say they want a song. I got 2 twin Glocks, tank to a dancer. I got 2 thick thighs, put them on the banner. I see 2 twin ops. See me blowing up, now they say they want a song. I got 2 twin Glocks, tank to a dancer. Put them on the banner. I see 2 twin ops. See me blowing up, now they say they want a song. I got 2 twin Glocks, tank to a dancer. I got 2 thick thighs, put them on the banner. I see 2 twin ops. See me blowing up, now they say they want a song. I got 2 twin Glocks, tank to a dancer. I got 2 thick thighs, put them on the banner. I see 2 twin ops. See me blowing up, now they say they want a song. I got 2 twin Glocks, tank to a dancer. I got 2 thick thighs, put them on the banner. I see 2 twin ops. See me blowing up, now they say they want a song. I got 2 twin Glocks, tank to a dancer. I got 2 thick thighs, put them on the banner. I see 2 twin ops. See me blowing up, now they say they want a song. I got 2 twin Glocks, tank to a dancer. I got 2 thick thighs, put them on the banner. I see 2 twin ops. See me blowing up, now they say they want a song. I got 2 twin Glocks, tank to a dancer. I got 2 thick thighs, put them on the banner. I see 2 twin ops. See me blowing up, now they say they want a song. I got 2 twin Glocks, tank to a dancer. I got 2